Uh, okay, so let me share my screen. Today we'll discuss the record type and some part of flexi page if we get the time, guys. Okay, so let me explain you first of all what are the record types. So a record type is nothing but it just kind of things when you want to show different pages to the same user or to the different user, right? So let's understand some scenario. So let's say there is a one company that is car selling company, right? And under the car selling company, we can say Maruti Suzuki, and there are multiple user we have there. So those user can have a different kind of they have the same access, same CRM access, but one who is selling the car, he has a different kind of page layout. At the same time, who is providing the service, he maybe have the same different page layout. Okay, so to control this, as earlier we discussed yesterday, so how you can create the multiple page layout, but while you are creating the record, how you can control that? You can just control with the help of record type, guys. Okay, let me show you. So let's see here. If you see, currently we don't have any record type. So let me create. So let me create first of all sales account. Okay, I'm just giving the sales account. Okay, you can give any description so later on will be able to understand why I created this record type. This record type is about the sales team. Okay, and here you can give the access, which profile you want to give the access for this particular record type. Okay, so I'm giving it to all the profiles. So let me click on next to further process. If you see this, guys, so we have a different layouts, and at once we can only apply the single layout. Okay, that means one record type has a single layout. So let me take here sales account, and let me click on save button. Okay, so see, one sales account record type has created, and under this we have a which page layout? We have this account sales layout. I will show you the difference. Okay, let me create one more record type, so I'll be able to explain you how it's you know required in the business cases whenever you have the customer and they why they actually need this. Okay, so let me create now service record. Sorry, what exactly we just remember the name, duplicate it. Let me check it here. Okay, so we have one with the name of sales account. Now we can make the other name is service account. Okay, so this is the API name, guys. So it will be always unique. This account is used for, sorry, this record type. Make sure this is the best practice actually. Whenever you are doing anything, description also should be there. So everyone should be able to understand what exactly you are going to be used for this particular record type. This record type is used for service team. Okay. And we have a lot of profiles. So as of now, I'm giving the access for all the profiles, but later on we can be able to understand how we can control this on the profile as well. So we have this support layout. Okay, that is already there, and it is assigned. Okay, so now let me click on save button. So this is also get created, guys. Okay. Now, if I go to the sales app or the other applications, first of all, I have to clear the cache because is there maybe some issue in my system? It always showing the previous things. Okay. So delete browsing history, delete it. Now I have to log in again. Anyways, not take much time. So let me log in. Remind me later. Okay, now let me go to the application sales, right? Sales application. Okay, so come to the account. So there are multiple accounts already. If I click on new button, see earlier yesterday we create the account report, so we are not able to see this. Now I can see this sales account and service account because I have the admin rights. So I can see both record type. But let's say we have a two other profiles. One is a sales user, another one is service user. So we want to show them different layouts, so different record types. So in that case, they will be only able to create the sales account and service account. Okay. Now let's understand what are the differences between these two. First of all, to understand this, we have to go to our layouts record and we have to make some differences here, guys. Okay. Let me open the this layout here and let me open this layout as well. So I can show you when you are using the record type, what things you can control. Okay. So let's say, first of all, these things yesterday I already told you, so you will be able to understand. So this is the which layout, this is the sales layout. So might be we don't need here. We can say contact total is not required. Okay. And this SLA we don't require. This SLA serial number is not required. This is also not required, right? And account source we need here. And what else we can keep? We can keep here year started, trade cycle style. We can just keep it. Okay. And now account record type. I also want to check once account is created, whatever the record type. Let's say you create the account and there are multiple user in the system, but they don't know for which account record is it this exists. So using this field, you will be able to see what the record type is it. Okay. Now let me also take some other fields. DNB company. Okay, let me take this as well. Now click on quick save and also update the other layout which is called support layout, guys. Okay. So on the support layout, we have the same field. We have this employee, this. So now what I needs to be do, I'm taking this in additional information. I'm keeping this here. Industry should be here and employee should be here. Now let me take some fields, SLA, right? SLA description and pricing hold and date. And what else we have? Reserve bundle structure, something we can take. And oh, sorry, it was yes. Anyways, we can take two more time. So make sure, guys, because it can happen sometime, you are doing such things. So like whatever changes you are doing, you can do the quick save. So the changes will be not, let's say you are just by mistake and click somewhere and this page is, your changes you can miss your changes if it is redirected to the other screen. Okay, so employee we don't need, we need the SIC description, we need the other fields as well. Yeah, SLA we can put it into the this other information. Industry we can put up. Okay, SLA serial number we can put it here. SLA expiration date we can put it here. Annual revenue we can put up, and ownership is also we can put up. SIT code all looks good. Now click on quick save, and same thing I have to do, guys. This is only just because of in some problem in my system. Every time I have to make the history clean so I can able to see the what changes I have made. Anyways, it not take much time. Let me log in again. Remind me later. So now let's see when we create the sales account and the service account, what are the differences? Okay. So if you see here, we have removed all the fields from the sales account and we are just able to see the custom priority here. Okay. High we can take, and active, this is the required field here. So this is, we can get test for sales record type. Okay. And industry, whatever you want, we can take agriculture, let's say. Click on save. Now, if you see this, we have the record type field here. See, okay. So record type field we can be able to see here, right? And the other fields are also here. Okay. So same way, if I'm going to create the that new account, the service account. See, in the additional information, what we have here, SLA serial number, expiry date, SLA, trade cycle, SIT code, right? So these all information are not on the other accounts. And neither this active field is not required here. Okay. SLA serial number, let's say 10345. Expiry date, we can make it, let's say tomorrow. And SLA should be silver, trade cycle something. SIC code is this, symbol is this, and description is, let's say, something. Test is in progress. Okay, makes sense. Click on save. Now you see we have the this section here, right? So this is the additional information we have available here, where we have the serial numbers, expiry date, we have the ticket symbol, SIC code, where we don't have this information on the duplicate it. If I'll talk about the test for sales record type, okay. So we don't have that details here. Why? Just because of the we are using different record type to control the page layouts. Okay. This is one of the thing you can do. Other thing what you can do, let me show you. So let's say there is some picklist type of field we have here. We have the industry, I think. Okay. So if you see this industry have the different value, agriculture, banking, and all. So that will be same for both the cases. That will be same for service record type, because we don't made any changes. But you can control even the pick list field here. How you can control it? Let me show you that part as well. So where is the industry? Okay. So here is the industry. See, same we have the same fields here. We don't have any differences, but we can make the differences. Okay. How? Let's go to the our layout. Sorry, record type. First go to the sales account. Okay. And here we have the industry is here. Okay. I want to show only some limited pick list value in the sales account. Okay, let's say I don't want to show the other utility. This till shipping I don't want to show in the sales account. Okay, and click on save. Now I want to same for the service account. I don't want to show some pick list values in the starting 4 5 5. Okay, so this I want to also in the this thing. Okay, default means whatever value you want to keep the default you can keep. That's not a problem. Okay, so now if I go here, let me refresh it if it is work in that way. Account, create a new record type sales. Okay, so here is the industry. See which one we have here, service, and this is for, so under the service we don't have the last one. I think last some values. Yes, sorry, above some values. Let me go and check. Industry. See, starting values are not coming because we have removed from the this values. Okay, you can see. So pick list value you can also control using the record type. So this is very useful whenever some business cases are required. So you have to be make sure like you are using the correct values, correct pick list values in your business cases. Okay. So if you see this for the sales one, so what values we remove from here, that's what you will be not able to see in the sales one. Okay. Let me click on account, new, and sales account. Okay. So if you go to under sales account, last values you are not able to see. Okay. Others and some utilities transformation, so these values are missing. Why? Because we have removed from this record type, right? Field is same on the both record type, but what we are controlling, we are controlling the pick list values. So that's the one more thing you can control. And other thing, like other use cases are, let's say there are two user which has the same different profile. Okay, and to those profiles users you want to show the different layout. So that is the again this business case you can use this record type. So guys, this is the whole about the record type, and the yesterday we discussed about the page layout. So if you have anyone has any questions, please ask. I can give you the answer. Tomorrow I'll be going to teach you about the thing. Yeah. So I think we have some time. Let me check. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be continue with the flexi page because that is a some time taking class. So I'll be covering it tomorrow. So thank you for joining guys today. And yesterday I think I have given one task. What is your name? Sai Kumar. Are you able to do that? Because you are regular in my sessions. Okay, great. Can you please share your screen? Let me give you the access. Meanwhile, I can just stop the recording. I want to check.